How to transfer docs from Bitget to Binance on PC. Now, after you log into your Bitget account, head over to the wallet icon. Now after that, click on withdraw. Now, as you can see, now here, select the docs, like that. So after you select the docs as the coin, now make sure to click on an on-chain. Now after that, select the network. As you can see here, ton. Now here you need to enter the address that you will receive that docs. So the address we will get it from our Binance account. Now after you log into your Binance account, now how to get that address wallet? Just click on deposit. Now click on deposit crypto. Now after that, make sure to enter the same like the coin. If you select it here docs, now you need to select it here also the docs. Now after that, click on done and don't change the network or you will lose your crypto. Now after that, click on OK, show me the address. Now copy the address and paste it here as you can see, and go back and copy the memo and like paste it here. So, and after that, click on next, and now enter how much of docs that you want to transfer. If you click on all, so all of the docs on your wallet will be transferred. Now, for example, I don't have no docs on my Bitget wallet, just I will, for example, 100. Now here you will see how much available, and you will see how much it will be transferred, like you see. And after you make sure you enter all the information is correct, now it is time to withdraw and transfer your doc to your Binance. So this is how to transfer docs from Bitget to Binance on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.